Hello students, now we'll solve the third question of exercise 3.7, and here in this question the length, breadth and height of a room are given and we have to find the longest tape which can measure all the three sides, means length, breadth and height of the room completely. So as the question says longest, so I have already told you when there is a word longest or greatest or highest, we'll go for HCF. So we'll find the HCF of 825, 675 and 450. We can do this by two methods, division or prime factorization. We'll go for prime factorization. So 825, 675 and 450. So first of all, we'll sum the digits. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. So we'll do it with 3. 3 2 times 6, 3 7 times 21 and 3 5 times 15. Then we'll again sum the digits. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 is not a multiple of 3, so we'll do it with 5. 5 times 25, remainder is 2 and 5 times. Then again with 5 11 times and 11 1 time. Now for 675, we'll again add the digits. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 7 is 18. So 3, 2 times 6, 3 2 times and 5. Then we'll again add the digits. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So again we'll do with 3, 75. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is again a multiple of 3. So 3, 2 times and 5. Then 5 times and 5 1 time. Now we'll do for 450. 225. Now we'll go for 3. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So the factors, these factors will copy itself there. So 375, 325, 55 and 51. So these are the prime factors of these three numbers. Now we'll find the common. 825 can be written as 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 11. 675 can be written as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. And 450 can be written as 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. So first of all we'll think of 3. 3 is present here, present here, present here. So 3 is the common. Now we'll go for 5. 5 is also common. Now again one more 5 is there, so we'll check for this. This is again common. And now no other is common among all of the three. So the HCF will be 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. 5 times 25, 25 3 times 75. So 75 is the HCF. Means 75 is the greatest number that can divide these three numbers completely. And the question also says the longest tape means the longest number that can completely divide these three. So 75 will be our answer. And this is how you can solve this question. Thank you.